Amazon is practically giving these away for Prime Day. Prices are slashed by 50%. And honestly, some of these deals feel like an absolute glitch. I linked every single item in the description below. Let's dive right in. Spending endless time chopping produce and scrubbing complex parts makes juicing a chore. This 3-in-1 cold press machine eliminates prep with a massive 6.5-inch chute and 100-ounce capacity. Effortlessly extract juice, nut milk, or sorbet while saving 25% on this quiet, dishwasher-safe kitchen upgrade. Wasting hours cooking separate meals or scrubbing multiple dirty pots is exhausting. This 11-in-1 pressure cooker and air fryer combo solves the problem, speeding up cooking by 70%. Easily pressure cook, air fry, dehydrate, and steam in one 6-quart powerhouse. Save 24% on this ultimate kitchen upgrade. Choking on chunky, unblended green smoothies or dealing with noisy blenders is frustrating. This ultra-personal blender solves the hassle, utilizing titanium-coated blades and a 1200-watt motor to pulverize tough ingredients instantly. Its touch interface offers hands-free blending in a recycled cup. Save 25% today. Suffering through stifling indoor heat or enduring a noisy, rattling old fan is frustrating. This 36-inch oscillating tower fan solves the problem, delivering high-velocity airflow at a whisper-quiet 20 decibels. Its compact, bladeless design fits perfectly in any bedroom. Save 13% today and stay cool all summer. Eating cold, tasteless desk lunches or waiting in long office microwave lines is frustrating. This electric portable food warmer solves the problem, heating up your homemade soups and meals gently on the go. Its tight sealing lid prevents spills during travel. Save 25% today on hot, comforting lunches anywhere. Worrying about glass bakeware shattering during temperature shifts is frustrating. This 8-piece deep glass set solves the hassle, transitioning safely from freezer to oven. Its snug, BPA-free lids keep leftovers fresh, while dishwasher-safe glass makes cleanup effortless. Save 11% today and upgrade your kitchen setup. Opening your pantry only to find stale, flavorless coffee beans is disappointing. This airtight stainless steel canister solves the problem, sealing out oxygen and light while tracking freshness with a built-in date wheel. Keep grounds and beans aromatic and fresh for weeks. Save 21% today on the ultimate coffee keeper. Struggling to track your fitness goals or managing notifications on a bulky phone is tedious. This sleek Bluetooth smartwatch solves the problem, offering personalized fitness coaching, heart rate tracking, and seamless smartphone connectivity. Its sapphire glass and durable body withstand daily wear. Save 17% today on this essential upgrade. Dealing with clunky appliances, toxic coatings, or soggy microwaved leftovers is frustrating. This portable 4-in-1 glass air fryer lets you crisp, bake, and store using non-toxic glass containers. Its dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup effortless. Save 12% today and revolutionize your meal prep. Eating greasy, unhealthy deep-fried meals or waiting forever for your oven is frustrating. This 5-quart, 4-in-1 air fryer solves the hassle, delivering crispy, golden results with 75% less fat. Its space-saving design fits easily on any countertop. Save 31% today and upgrade your daily meals. Struggling with weak water flow and bulky, leaking kitchen taps is exhausting. This matte black pull-down faucet solves the hassle, featuring a dual-function sprayer and 360-degree swivel for easy cleaning. It installs in under 15 minutes. Save 20% today on this durable, modern kitchen upgrade. Constantly untangling hair from rollers or dragging a dirty mop around your home is exhausting. This smart robot vacuum solves the problem, pairing 10,000-pound suction with a dual anti-tangle system. It automatically vacuums, mops, lifts over carpets, and self-empties for 70 days. Save 49% today on hands-free cleaning. Digging through chaotic pantries, mystery containers, and messy drawers trying to find items is incredibly annoying. This pocket-sized device connects to your phone, letting you print custom tags in seconds. It uses no expensive ink, giving you a satisfying, clear way to transform household clutter into an organized space. Craving sweet campfire treats usually requires a full outdoor fire, which is impossible during cold nights. This table heating device brings that experience right to your kitchen. Its flameless heating element roasts marshmallows to golden brown safely, making it easy to create sweet family memories indoors. Now, chunky shakes from standard cups are unpleasant to drink after a hard workout. This powerful cordless device allows you to make smooth beverages anywhere. It easily crushes ice and frozen fruit, giving you delicious drinks on the go. You get smoothly blended drinks on demand. Missing family appointments and cluttered paper notes scattered across your kitchen lead to constant chaos. This sleek, clear acrylic board mounts securely to your fridge with ultra-strong magnets. You can easily write, erase, and color code your plans so everyone stays organized and on the same page. Waiting hours for warm freezer trays or running to the gas station for ice is frustrating. This countertop machine solves the problem, churning out fresh cubes in 6 minutes. It sits compactly in your kitchen without permanent plumbing. With its automated self-cleaning function, you get pure, odor-free results at a single touch. Ugly pet stains, spilled wine, or ground-in dirt can easily ruin your carpets and upholstery. This compact spot cleaner combines powerful liquid spray and deep suction to erase tough stains in seconds. Its portable design easily reaches car seats, stairs, and rugs, restoring your fabric without professional detailing fees. Sitting on damp ground or carrying heavy coolers at outdoor events ruins your relaxation completely. This heavy-duty folding seat solves both issues beautifully. It features a built-in cooler pouch in the armrest, keeping up to 4 cans chilled at your side. You get a relaxing seat,